Let's talk about your Subaru Forester's electronic parking brake, or EPB. No more pulling a lever, just a button and some computer magic. But when that magic fails, don't panic. You can reset it yourself and save money. Common reasons: a warning light that won't go away, a recent brake pad change, or the brake feeling stuck. Most of the time, it's just a communication glitch between the brake and the car's computer. Today, I'll show you 2 ways to reset your EPB. One simple, one advanced, plus safety checks and what to do if the problem sticks around. Grab your keys, let's get started. Before anything, safety comes first. Take a moment to check your surroundings for any hazards or obstacles. Park your Forester on a flat surface, no slopes. Avoid working on a hill or uneven ground to prevent rolling. Get in, close the door, and buckle your seatbelt. Make sure all passengers are secure as well. The EPB system needs to know you're secure. Double check that all warning lights are off except the seatbelt indicator. Keep your foot firmly on the main brake pedal the entire time. Never let go, even for a moment. Turn the ignition to on, but don't start the engine. This ensures all systems are powered up safely. If you have a push-button start, press it twice without your foot on the brake. This activates the electronics only. Now your car is ready, and you're safe to begin. Always keep your manual nearby for reference. Preparation is half the battle. Remember, never rush. Take your time to stay safe. Time for the basic reset. This fixes most EPB issues. Find the EPB switch near your gear selector. With your foot on the brake, push the switch down to release the brake and hold for 5 seconds. Pull the switch up to engage the brake and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat this cycle once more. Down for 5. Up for 5. Turn the ignition off and wait a minute for the system to reset. This simple cycle helps the EPB recalibrate. Don't rush. Let the car think between steps. That's the basic reset done. If the basic reset didn't work, try the advanced method. With your foot on the brake, quickly pull up then push down on the EPB switch 3 times in a row. After the 3rd cycle, pull up and hold the switch for 10-15 seconds. Listen for clicks or whirring from the rear brake, and the system is recalibrating. Release the switch when the noises stop and the dash light settles. Turn the ignition off and wait a minute. This deeper reset usually clears stubborn issues. Still having trouble? There's one last check. Moment of truth. Start the engine and check your dashboard. If the EPB warning light is gone, you're good. Test the brake. Release and engage it a couple of times. Listen for smooth operation. If the light's still on, repeat the advanced reset carefully. Still stuck. It could be a faulty switch, wiring, or a brake motor issue. At this point, you've done all the easy fixes. Time to call a mechanic. You've saved time and money by trying these steps first. Great job tackling it yourself. Don't be afraid to get hands-on next time.